Welcome, my students. I am Dr. D.K. Halvar. Today, I am going to discuss the instruction set of microcontroller 8051. So, before actually starting to the instruction set, we have to see some learning objectives. Here are some learning objectives of this lecture. First objective is to study the data transfer group instructions, and we have to again learn the explanation of each and every instruction from this group. So this group of instructions known as data transfer group instructions perform the data transfer operations between CPU registers and internal RAM, external RAM and external ROM. So there are different types of instructions from this data transfer group. The first type is move a comma source byte. Here the destination is accumulator, that is A, and source can be any general purpose register R0 to R7, or it can be the direct address of the data, or immediate data can be present as a second byte of the instruction, or there may be indirect address also. So this in move instruction, the data is getting copied from source to destination. So here are some instructions from this group. First instruction is move a comma rn, where rn is any working register of the microcontroller 8051, and n stands for 0 to 7, means rn means r0 to r7. So you can move the data from r0 to r7 any register to accumulator. So the number of bytes required for this instruction is 1. The machine cycles required is also 1, and the addressing mode is of course register addressing mode, because source is the register. So data is present in register of the CPU of microcontroller 8051. So the addressing mode is register. Second instruction is move a comma address 8. Address 8 means 8-bit address of the data which is present in internal RAM or external RAM of the microprocessor or microcontroller. So the content of internal RAM whose address is specified in the second byte of the instruction is copied into accumulator. This is the meaning of this instruction. The number of bytes, as it is evident from this diagram, that there are 2 bytes, and this instruction requires 2 machine cycles. The addressing mode is direct addressing mode, because address of the data which is to be copied into accumulator is directly specified in the instruction in its second byte. The third instruction is move a comma hash data 8. Data 8 is the 8-bit data. It is actually hex data, and hash indicates that the byte is data. So before any data, immediate data, we have to apply hash symbol. So this hash symbol indicates that it is a data, not the address. So this 8-bit data, which is the part of actual instruction, is getting copied into accumulator. And this instruction also requires 2 bytes for its storage, because 1 byte for the opcode for move A, and the second byte is for immediate data. The addressing mode is immediate, because the second byte is holding the immediate data. So data is immediately available in the part of the instruction, that is second byte. So the addressing mode is immediate. Last instruction is move a comma at the rate ri. This at the rate requires for a pointer. When you are using the register R0 or R1 as a pointer, we have to use the sign at the rate. I stands for 0 or 1 only, not from 2 to 7, remember. So its meaning is The double bracket for RI indicate the content of internal RAM memory location whose address is in RI is copied into accumulator. This is the meaning. Means before transferring any content of any location of the RAM memory to accumulator anywhere something, we have to first initialize the pointer R0 or R1 to that location. For that, we have to load the address of that location into that R0 or R1 register, and then it becomes the pointer. It gets initialized, and then you have to use this instruction move a comma at the rate RI. The addressing mode of this instruction is indirect. Remember, whenever there is the indirect pointer, then the addressing method is indirect addressing. The second type of instructions in this group is move RN comma source byte. Here the destination is RN register. RN stands for R0 to R7, any working register of the working bank. And source can be either accumulator or 8-bit address or immediate data. So these are the three instructions from this group B or type B. Move RN comma A means move the content of accumulator to the RN register, where RN stands for R0 to 7, means there may be R0, R1, R2, R3, R4 up to R7, any one of these 8 registers. This instruction requires 1 byte for storing it in the memory, and machine cycles required is 1. Now, of course, addressing is register because A is the register which is acting as a source in this instruction. Then second instruction is move RN comma address 8. Address is again 8-bit address ranging from 00 hex to 7F hex. That is the range of addresses of the internal RAM. The content of that address location, which is specified in the second byte of this instruction, is getting copied into register RN. So this instruction requires 2 bytes, 1 byte for move RN opcode and second byte for 8-bit address. Machine cycles required are 2, and of course the addressing mode, as you know, is the direct addressing mode. Then next instruction is move RN comma hash data 8. Hash data, it means immediate. Hash means immediate data, 8-bit data. 8-bit data in hex can be from 00 hex to FF hex. So any data, immediate data, which is part of the instruction, that is in second byte of that instruction, is copied into RN register, where RN means R0 to R7. So this instruction again requires 2 bytes and 1 machine cycle, and of course data is the part of instruction which is immediately available in the instruction itself. So the addressing mode is immediate addressing. With this, we conclude here today's session. Thank you, students. Thank you.